Welcome to the channel, Garage Mods, and today we have a part to install. See you right there. Guess for what car it is? Stay tuned. So how about we start with the car wash, because it's been sitting a lot in the garage lately, and it's super dusty. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see it. See, so it needs a wash. I'm just gonna rinse it and spray some soap on top of it and just rinse it again. I'm not doing major stuff. Okay, so for what everyone's been waiting for, this is a Zl1 front splitter or front lip, however you guys want to call it. It's going on my 2010 Camaro SS. It looks basic as in the front, so I don't like how it looks. I need to put that grill back on. I took it off because I had plastic dip it the first time because it was silver when I bought it. And so I'm sanding it down to paint it so I can put it back. But this is gonna help it to look amazing. And let's see how. Oh, by the way, I ordered this from eBay. I think it was $117.99 plus tax, I think. It was a birthday gift from my sister and my mom. They both gave me gift cards and I wanted to buy this, so this is what I bought. So huge shout out to them for my gift, and let's go ahead and open it. Hey look, a roly-poly. What are you doing in my garage? Okay, so let's see. Well, didn't look too protected at first, but now that I'm looking at it, it's taking me a while to open it. Okay, so it's officially out of the big packaging. Now let's take the plastic wrap. Oh! It comes with the hardware to install it. That's nice. Okay. Well, let's get this to let's get to installing. Well, here it is. Zl1 2010 to 2015, I believe. It comes with 10 bolts, 10 nuts, and 10 washers. You have to put them in the there will be these marks right here. I'm making the holes. See, because it didn't come with the holes. I might have to make the holes on the bumper too. I'm using a 1/4. I don't know what this is called. I just bought them at Walmart a long time ago, and I had them, so it makes a perfect hole for what I need. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So if you guys haven't noticed, I do have a newer car. It's been about a year already in the channel. It used to be green, used to be really faded. I painted it myself. It had hubcaps, which I can show you. I did change the lug pattern with spacers. I put some Civic, I think about 2004 Honda Civic wheels, and I painted the car with Rust-Oleum paint. It's technically the spray paint in the rattle can, but this comes in a gallon, and I put it into a spray gun from Harbor Freight, thin it out with some paint thinner, and spray the car. That's what I did. I sanded it down. I didn't make a video about it, but if you guys are interested in me doing stuff about the car, let me know in the comments, and I can start making videos on it. A lot of people hate on Hondas. That's why I haven't posted it. Especially if I have a Camaro on the channel, they're gonna be like, "Well, are you a import guy or are you a muscle car guy?" So that's why I haven't done any videos about it. But if you guys are interested about it, let me know. Let me know in the comments, and we'll see what I can do about it. So I washed the car first because I do not like to work on dirty cars. I made the holes on the front splitter, and then I put it on the first two corners because there's already holes on there on the bumper. And then I put something in the middle so I can start making the holes on the bumper underneath it. So I did all the holes on the bumper and on the front splitter, and here is how it looks. So I was able to come out straight out of my driveway. Now I'm not, because now the bumper's sitting over with the front splitter. So I might have to go down on an angle. As you can see there. It's about to hit if I go back. So let me back up. Let me go forward and go out an angle and see if it's straight. So I'll let you guys know. We're good. We're good. Angle. It is.